Hey, what's up, guys? Well, I'm at a red light, so you know what that means? We gotta test the acceleration on this Piaggio Liberty 150S. With the Insta360 camera, it records stats, but the thing is, there is a slight delay, so it's not gonna pick up perfectly, right off the line, but it will show the top speed. Let's see, I'm just gonna crank on it. Oh, and I left everybody in the dust. Oh, we freaking love this thing. Well, I guess what? Another red light. We can do it again. This guy wants to race in the Beamer GT. GTR. No, it's not GTR. And we're off. Crank on it gently. And we are leaving him in the dust. Ah, look at this guy. They're so far behind me right now. They're all like 100 yards behind